Hello kids, welcome back to your EVS class. I am Ankita Srivastav, your EVS teacher. Children, today I am here with a new topic, my body. In this chapter, we are going to learn about our body parts. Children, we all are blessed with a good body. Our body has different parts. Each part has a different name. Each part of our body is useful. Children, each part of our body does a special job for us. All of them work together. Now, we will have a look at our body. Children, our body is divided in three main parts: head, trunk, and limbs. The topmost part of our body is the head. It connects the head to the trunk. It has hair, forehead, ears, nose, lips, eyes, eyebrows, teeth, chin, and neck. The part just below the neck is called trunk. The chest and the abdomen are the two main parts of trunk. Two arms are connected to the upper sides of the trunk. It has shoulder, elbow, arm, wrist, and fingers. Two legs are connected to the bottom of the trunk. It has knee, ankle, foot, and toes. Children, the two arms and two legs are called limbs. I think it's clear to all. Now, I'll proceed with the next point, sense organs. Children, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. All the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. Children, how do we know what is happening around us? We have 5 ways to know about a thing. These are called senses. These 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. Eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, skin to touch, and tongue to taste. Now let us learn about each organ in detail. First, we will talk about eyes. Children, we can see colorful things around us with the help of eyes. Next is ears. We can hear sounds and voice with our ears. Next is nose. We can smell good as well as bad things with our nose. Next organ is skin. Children, we can feel a thing by touching it. Last one is tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, bitter with the help of tongue. Children, these are 5 sense organs. Now my next point is taking care of our body. Children, there are many ways in which you can take care of your body. First is, we should brush our teeth twice a day. Second is, we should take a bath regularly. Third, we should cut our nails. Fourth, we should go for haircut regularly. Next is, we should wear neat and clean clothes. And last one is, we should comb our hair properly. Children, by following these good habits, you can take care of your body and you can keep yourself clean. Clear to all? Okay. Children, at last, I'll share some hand washing tips with you all. Kindly follow them. First, wet your hands with water, then use soap, then scrub your hands, wrists, palms, back of hands, fingers, and under fingernails with soap. Then rinse with water. Then close the water tap and wipe your hands with a dry towel. By following these tips, you can wash your hands properly. Children, as you all know, this time whole world is facing COVID-19. To keep ourselves safe from this pandemic, we should wash our hands frequently. We should not go outside, maintain social distancing, sanitize ourselves, and we should wear a mask. Okay? So children, follow all the instructions and keep yourself safe. I think you all must have understood all the points of this chapter. Children, I'll send the video of this chapter. Kindly must watch the video. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye, children.